home, 52 years.
On the way, to the Moscow, on the way.
It's like a dream. All English people dream about this, and it's finally happened. England's gonna go mental.
I just hope we just carry the momentum going. I don't think we've actually peaked yet, and hopefully the semi-final and the final will be where we'll peak, and we'll get there and we'll win the cup and bring it home.
It was disappointing for the Swedes, but England they were a better team and they deserved to win. And we didn't compete enough. We didn't score enough. So.